Happy morning, students. Class 2nd Standard. Subject General Knowledge. Dear students, our last class we learnt continents and oceans. Shall I ask questions from continents and oceans? Are you ready to answer my questions? Okay, my first question, which is the smallest continent in the world? Yes, your answer is correct. Australia is the smallest continent in the world. Okay, next question, which is the smallest ocean in the world? Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean in the world. In this class, we are going to learn about countries and capitals. Okay dears, which is our country? Yes, India is our country. India is a beautiful country famous for its cultures and traditions. People of different religions and caste live here with unity. Do you know which is the capital of India? New Delhi is the capital of India. Next one is our neighboring country, Pakistan. Pakistan is a Muslim country located in Southern Asia. The capital of Pakistan is Islamabad. Dear students, which is the capital of Pakistan? Yes, Islamabad is the capital of Pakistan. Next country, Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is an island country located in South Asia. Colombo is the capital of Sri Lanka. Next one is Bangladesh. Bangladesh is located in the continent Asia. Do you know which is the capital of Bangladesh? Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh. Next country, China. China is the third largest country in the world and it is the most populated country in the world. The Great Wall is located in China. The capital of China is Beijing. Next country, Japan. Japan is a world leader in robotics. Japan is an island country in East Asia in the Pacific Ocean. The capital of Japan is Tokyo. Dear students, which is the capital of Japan? Tokyo is the capital of Japan. Next country, Russia. Russia is the largest country in the world. The capital of Russia is Moscow. Next country, Italy. Italy is in Europe continent. The Roman Colosseum is located in Italy. Rome is the capital of Italy. England. England is one of the 4 countries that are part of the United Kingdom. London is the capital of England. Next country, Thailand. Thailand is in the heart of Southeast Asia. Bangkok is the capital of Thailand. Dear students, once again I repeat the countries and capitals. Country, India. Capital, New Delhi. Country, Pakistan, capital Islamabad. Country Sri Lanka, capital Colombo. Country Bangladesh, capital Dhaka. Country China, capital Beijing. Country Japan, capital Tokyo. Country Russia, capital Moscow. Country Italy, capital Rome. Country England, capital London. Country Thailand, capital Bangkok. Homework for you. Match the following countries with their capitals. In your left hand side, countries are India, Sri Lanka, England, Italy and China. In your right hand side, capitals are Rome, Beijing, New Delhi, Colombo, London. Do your homework, dears. Thank you, my dears. We will see the next class.